Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2011 Nissan Rogue with some great exterior features that include rear bumper sensors, roof rails, and 16-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we've got a cloth interior. This Rogue also comes equipped with all weather floor mats and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our hands-free calling and audio controls. On the right you have your cruise. This Rogue has 168,000 kilometers. Over in the middle here we have our AM/FM radio along with your CD and auxiliary. Right below that we have our climate controls and an outlet. Behind your gear shifter you have two cup holders as well. Looking at our rear seats, we have more cloth interior, along with two cup holders in the back of the center console, all-weather floor mats, and storage pouches in the seat backs. The back of this Rogue comes with a ton of storage space with the second row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the second row also folds down. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2011 Nissan Rogue with some great interior features that include all-weather floor mats and plenty of storage space. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.